In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all Google Photos. First, open Google Photos in your web browser and make sure you're on the main Photos page where your image library is visible. This process is easiest to do on a computer because selecting a large number of photos is much more manageable with a keyboard and mouse. Once you're there, take a moment to confirm that the photos you want to remove are showing in your library. Next, begin selecting your photos by clicking the checkbox on one of the images near the top of your library. After that, hold down the Shift key and slowly scroll down toward the bottom of your photo collection to select everything in between. The important part here is to go slowly. Google Photos needs time to load all the thumbnails as you move down the page. If you scroll too fast, some images may not load in time, which can cause them to be skipped during selection. If that happens, simply repeat the process and make sure everything is highlighted before moving on. Once all your photos are selected, look for the bin icon near the top of the screen and click it. This tells Google Photos that you want to remove the selected items from your library. After clicking the bin icon, a confirmation prompt will appear. In that prompt, click Move to Bin. This sends the selected photos to the bin rather than deleting them permanently right away. That temporary step is helpful because it gives you one last chance to review what was removed before the deletion becomes final. After that, check for the bin folder in Google Photos. Open it and confirm that your photos have been moved there. This is a good point to pause briefly and make sure the items you intended to delete are actually in the bin. When you're ready to finish the process, click Empty Bin. This option permanently removes everything currently stored there. Be careful at this stage because once the bin is emptied, those photos can no longer be recovered through Google Photos. Finally, confirm that you want to empty the bin to permanently delete all photos. Once that's done, your Google Photos library will be cleared of those images. And that's it. If you're deleting a very large library, just be patient during the selection process and double-check the bin before permanently removing everything. This helps make sure nothing important is deleted by mistake.